Hey guys, it's Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a recorder so I can teach you guys how to make the coolest thumbnail or an outro like I have. So the first thing is you gotta go to the Play Store. You gotta type here intro maker. And this is what I have right now, the intro maker. You go ahead and install it. So here you can choose any intro you want. There's sports, fashion, holiday, sky, energy, and vacation, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna show you a cute one. So for instance, I like this one, which is cute. You're gonna click it and you're gonna choose download. You're gonna click it and choose download. So we're gonna do this one. And we just have to wait until it downloads. So it's download right here. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you're gonna click here at the bottom where it says title, and you're just gonna type welcome to my channel, and then you're gonna click here and you can put by Kimberly, my name, and then you click this arrow here. And what the fun part is that you could make it smaller, big, so you want it like that. And here you can choose the title. Like I like that one. And then we're going to choose this, and we're going to choose how I want it. The ones that have little like chains, those you have to buy them, get the VIP. So okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna go up here, and this is where we're gonna make it small like that. And you can always have it white, have it just change the color here to pink. Like this one's cute, like that. And then you go here, and then you can make it like this or not. Like I like that one, and we're gonna switch it to bullets. And go ahead and do white. This one's cute. And then we're just going to do like that. Okay, and after you like how it looks, you're gonna click the animation one. So I would like to, you click here, also has ones that you like. You can do that one, or you can do this one's pretty nice. So after you like the whole thing, you're gonna click done. And so now that you're done here, we're gonna choose music. So this is the music that it has pop, vlog, sports, sad, future. And we're gonna do the intro one. And you just get to choose a song that you want. If you don't like none of the songs, we're gonna choose pop. And after you choose, we're gonna click the plus sign. Okay, you're gonna click the plus sign. But first, let's check how long is the video. The video is about 5 minutes. So let's go back to the music. Let's do my music. And then here you can shrink the music however you want to. So we're gonna do oh, you have to really get in. Okay, we're gonna do 5:1. So you're gonna click the plus sign up here, and we're going to click here. Oops. We're gonna click here, and we're gonna move it so it starts all together. So we're gonna test it out right now. Okay, and after that, you click the music, and you can fade in, fade out, and you can do all the way or you can do it lower. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it at 100. Click here. So let's try it again. Okay, that's one. And the other part you can do is you can add stickers in here. So you can add a text or an energy or a social, like you can add your Facebook or your YouTube channel, your Twitter, you know, whatever you like. You can add emojis, you can add some fire, some neon, or some sparkling, or a light doodle, or shapes, or water, you know, whatever you want to add, it's up to you. After it downloads, you click done and you just move it. And let's put one so you guys can get the idea. And so I'm gonna do this one. Okay, once it's down there, you're gonna click it, and there you go. And you can make it smaller, you can make it big. We're gonna make it like that. And we're gonna click done. And now the picture is going to add right here. Now what you can do is you can move it if you don't like it on the front. Like I don't like it on the front, I'm gonna move it on the last one, like that. So let's give it a test. So there you go. Now you can click the picture as well. If you don't like that one, you know, you can do it big. You can move it up here. If you don't want it there, you can put it like that. And click done. And let's give it a test. So it's up to you. How do you want to do your intro? And I hope you guys find this very informative. If you guys are trying, if you guys are new to YouTube and you want an awesome intro, I really recommend this intro maker. It is the best intro maker ever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. If you guys want more tutorials, just comment below and I would love to do them. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.